The biggest productivity lesson I learned wasn't about getting more done.
As moms, parang feeling natin, kailangan natin gawin lahat. Work, house, kids, business. Tapos iniisip natin, kung maaga lang akong gumising, kung mas organized lang sana ako, baka mas marami akong natatapos. Ganyan din ako dati. Ang haba ng to-do list ko. Pero pagdating ng gabi, feeling ko may kulang pa rin akong nagawa. Until one day, may na-realize ako. Hindi pala kailangang matapos lahat. I just needed to focus on the few things that actually mattered. Kaya ngayon, instead of trying to check off 20 things, I ask myself, ano ba yung 3 things na kapag nagawa ko today, masasabi kong naging maganda ang araw na to? For me, madalas, it's showing up for the business, finish my work, be fully present with my boys. Everything else, kung matapos ko, great. Kung hindi, okay lang. May bukas pa. And honestly, since I stopped trying to do everything, I actually started feeling less overwhelmed. Mas present ako, mas intentional, at mas aligned sa buhay na gusto kong buuin. Maybe that's the reminder we all need today. You don't have to do everything. Just focus on what matters most.